Hi everyone, we are going to see how to program a Kuka robot to do 3D printing modeling using the Grasshopper and Kuka prc plugin. First of all, we need to have some curve to make the primary form. Then we make a loft, a surface with the primary curves that we had. Then we need to divide them based on the size of the amount of the extrusion, thickness of the extrusion that our extruder will do. That we can see it here, that we divide our surface. Then we needed to shift one row because the base has collision with ground, so we just take away the number 0, the first row. Then you need to in order to make a more precise model, you need to divide the lines, the contour lines that we had. So the more the divisions are, it will be more precise. You can see that we have a lot of points here, and then we need to have planes in order to tell the robot to which points and in which direction we need the extruder to be moved. And after that we need to define how the robot should move the extruder. Here we divide it. First, the first movement is the place that the extruder should move from its primary position to the first point, and the last one is the last point, and from there it moves back to its primary position. And then we need to merge all the movements, and finally we need to tell how to move to the robot. It's here I used it point by point to be more precise, but you can also this is, excuse me, it's a linear movement, but you can also choose point to point. In point to point, the robot moves in a way which is easier for the robot to move. It's usually more curved, but it's okay, I think, for here, both of them. And you need to tell which type of the robot you want to use here. You have to, based off the size of your printing, you can select between the robots that the Kuka prc plugin provides for you. Also, the device that you want to use for your printing, you can also select between the different options that you can see here. And also most of the people use a custom device, and based off the device that they use, they create a mesh and use the custom tool to to do their job. But I just use the generic option that we have by the Kuka prc software. And then you need to combine all these things together, and it could be done by the this component that you can see it here. If you want to do more, if you want to adjust it more precisely, you can go here and check all the information you can find here based of your needs, and also the analysis of your movements. And also you need to tell it to do the simulation from 0 is to the first point, and then by moving this number slider you can gradually see how it moves and between the points, and how the extrusion could be done. Also you can do it in other ways that maybe we will see in other clips or videos.